Well, I just wanted to do a quick video of what we still have available for sale. You know, we had some pricing on it based on what Billy told us it was worth, and we still have it. So I'm gonna walk around real quick, show you what we have. I'll let you know which ones I think run, and if you're interested, just make a comment in the video, copy me or send me an email. My email is on the about page of the whole thing, and I'll put my email link in here. But stick around and take a look at what we still have left to sell. All right, I'm gonna go through it from one end to the other. We have some discs, we have some, I think that's an aerator, I'm not positive. Here's a cub, an older cub. There's front buckets, a square baler. I think here's another Farmall cub. As you can tell, it needs tires, but who knows if it runs or not, but I'm sure he kept it for a good reason. I just don't know what it is. There's a round baler. I think it might work. I'm not 100% sure. There's an old case. There's a Massey Ferguson, another John Deere. I don't know what that is. Let me look. I don't know. I don't know. But that's for sale. Another cub. Another John Deere, as you can tell. I don't think it's running since the head's off of it. This one isn't for sale. Hinamoto, that's for sale for sure. I think that's an old Ford for sale. Some more cub parts back there. An old case. A Nortrac. At one time, Billy was like the service for Northern Tools because nobody else would work on the shit. Old Ford, another cub, and then our 1010 John Deere. It still runs, it's still for sale. Shoot me a price and we'll probably be able to make a deal. This stuff isn't for sale. An old Massey Ferguson and a John Deere. I think it's an H, but it's for sale as well. So that's what's out here, and then the A is inside there that's for sale still, and I got another video on the A, and I'll try and link it up at the top. But that's what we still have for sale, and like I said, we're open to offers. So, oh, I forgot one more. We got another cub that runs. It's got implements with it, and I think we've been asking $2 grand for it. But again, like I said, it runs, and it looks pretty damn good. And it's got implements. So if you're interested, shoot me an email and we'll see what we can work out. Yeah, it's extremely dark in here, but this is the A that's for sale. I would flip on the lights, but it doesn't look too bad with this camera. This one runs, has electric start. It's been switched over to the alternator. You know, I don't know what else to say about it. And then we have an old Gravely here that does run. And I think we got a couple of those pallet or the seats for it too. So that's what we got. So if you're interested in anything, just shoot me an email. Again, I'll try and put it around here somewhere or wherever. But anyways, shoot me an email, put a message in the or a comment in the video. And I'm going to post this on Facebook, so if it's posted on Facebook, put a message there. But we're open to offers. We want to try and move the stuff. So, you know, reach out to me and we can make it yours. So, again, thanks for everybody that watches. I really appreciate it. You know, thumbs up, likes, comments. It's a great thing. So thank you very much and have a great day.